Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. My name is Irina. I'm a holistic nutritionist and this is the channel where I'm uploading tons of videos about helpful skincare tips, healthy recipes, and just great information for your overall health. In this video, as you can see in the name, why I don't use CBD oil. Just first thing first, I am not encouraging you to stop taking CBD oil if you already are, or I'm not encouraging you not to. This is just my personal opinion where I stand in life pretty much right now. The whole story with CBD oil, I would definitely call it, I have to call it hype, right? And originally, I'm not really a hype type of person. I always remember that if something seems like hype, I am just strongly kind of against it, like my whole body, mind. I think that there is something into it, but I think I need to hold on. And then once I started saying that there are so many different products right now, CBD, there is CBD vape, CBD skincare, CBD gummies. Also, you don't know that, but I don't do pretty much almost any advertising on my channel unless I willingly want to do so, and except for Thrive Market. I really love this Thrive Market thing, and I have received so many different emails requesting to do an honest review in exchange of a product, or if sometimes you want, they can pay you for the review, but it never felt like my thing. And honestly, even if I want to try it, I definitely don't want to do it for the review. So I tell you guys the information which maybe I don't support. That's the first thing. The second of all, if I go on the website and I find a CBD oil product of the company that seems to be really trustworthy, and trust me, there are tons of different CBD oil companies right now, and they keep opening up. The average price of the product would be $60, $100, which, well, in my opinion, is a little pricey. I understand that it might be the price for the product, but for my budget, I find that I could buy so many things on $100. And the other reason, which actually comes out of this one, is that, say I like it, well, then I will have to continue buying it for this crazy amount of money, in my opinion. So to sum it all up, for this amount of money, there's so many other also natural great remedies that could help you with, as advertised, CBD oil helps with anxiety, helps with insomnia, helps with even acne, they say, skincare, of course, and I have seen even cancer, treatment for cancer, but I think this is not something you take lightly, right? I personally know that that's how the person actually, that's how we work. We want to get something, especially if it's expensive, it kind of adds on the value. And this one thing is supposed to resolve and solve so many different problems of ours, right? But I always, in my videos, if you are watching me for a long time, you know that, say, if you're suffering from insomnia or anxiety, or you have skincare problems, just the CBD oil alone, it's almost impossible for you to fix this, so to say, because it's supposed to be the whole body approach. You need to find the root cause of the problem. Why are you feeling anxiety? It could be nutrition deficiencies. It could be the lack of sleep. It could be you're just simply tired and you can't cope with stress. It could be maybe you're smoking too much, or there's too much alcohol involved, or coffee, or then the same goes for the insomnia. Skincare problems, I'm not even gonna go there, but I think that it's supposed to be like a wider approach that would definitely help you in the long run to make your body feel balanced again. So, and then once you start doing that, say you try to figure out your diet, your exercise routine, then okay, you could add on some really great things, and CBD oil might be one of them. So I guess what I'm trying to say is that if you're not trying to fix the problem, help your body from all those sides, right? Finding the problem, trying to find a solution, the most natural ones don't really need to be very expensive, trust me on that. I think that CBD oil is not really the first on the list, because I know there are a lot of people, and I am maybe one of them, if I see some advertisement, especially from the person that really tries on social media, right? It's like, oh my God, I need this thing. And then you're thinking how I am going to spend my money to do so. I mean, people who have skincare problems do this all the time. When you're trying to fix certain problem, acne especially, right? And you see some miracle product is being advertised and it's like $90 a bottle. Well, 98% you will buy it. I am a true believer in looking at your body as the whole. I am a believer in the whole food diet and your mental health, and you alone, only you, can do this, achieve it, and sort of be in control. That's how you actually get there. It's a process. It doesn't happen overnight, but there is no one out there who will or can take care of you and your body better than you can or you will. And I'm sure I am personally, and you probably too, you do know the areas where you need to improve. And that's where you should really start with. That's just my opinion. Okay, if you guys have great experience with CBD oil, again, I'm not saying you to stop doing that. This is just what I am doing right now. You can share your great stories in the description right up below this video, or maybe some of your thoughts about CBD oil in general, right? And just CBD oil products. Also, I just have to say this, do not forget to subscribe to my email list, because I will be sending out lots of free content. I can't really make everything a video, so I will try to also invest my time in the emails to you guys, and where you could communicate with me directly, like ask many questions. I do think that would be a great collaboration, so that we could build a small or big community of people who are on the same page. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, and put the thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you so very much for your attention, for your support, guys. I really keep receiving more and more positive feedback, and it keeps me going, makes me feel that I am doing something right. I am doing something for you. That's pretty much all I want to do. Anyways, guys, I wish you to be happy and healthy and find the right way for you to achieve the results that you want, be that work, be that your social life, personal life, or health, of course. And I will see you in my next video.